Interpolation inserts a real SCSS expression's value directly into a selector, property name, or string. Places a plain variable can't normally go. In this video you'll build real dynamic selectors. This is genuinely not valid SCSS. A bare $variable can't appear directly inside a selector name like this. $side genuinely interpolates the real string value directly into the selector, compiling to a real icon left rule. Interpolation genuinely works in property names too. This compiles to a real margin top 10px declaration. Interpolation genuinely inserts a SCSS expression's value as plain text. It works in selectors, property names, and strings, not just property values. A bare variable can't be used directly inside a selector without interpolation. Build a real selector using interpolation from a variable's value. Ready to nest a real @media query directly inside a selector?